The Stargate project is a $500 billion mission to transform America's AI infrastructure. And why is this important? Well, it helps us to rethink how we're going to deliver healthcare experience moving forward with that type of infrastructure. Led by a cast of big tech characters, OpenAI, SoftBank, Oracle, Microsoft, NVIDIA, this project aims to redefine AI capabilities. That could be anything from advanced patient care to rebuilding trust in technology in totality across the board. The stakes are pretty massive. So let's give you a little breakdown here. OpenAI is allegedly steering the ethical AI development of everything. SoftBank is writing that $500 billion check over a few years, and let's see if that holds up. Oracle, of course, they're going to secure the data infrastructure. We'll dive into data ownership at another time. Microsoft's going to power everything with Azure and its AI services that are out there and probably expand that as well. NVIDIA brings all of that computational juice to make everything flow and work and do everything that they do. But they might even hit limits with the growth strain on AI scalability. We'll see what happens. Let's be real. Most of these large-scale transformational projects fail, 70%. And why is that? Poor collaboration, unclear goals, lack of focus on the actual end user. In healthcare, that's going to be us, the patients. So here's also why this matters. This investment could redefine patient care by balancing innovation with trust, access, and humanity. 3 things healthcare desperately needs right now. The big picture, it's not just a tech upgrade. It's a reimagining an entire ecosystem, one that rebuilds trust in AI and puts patients as well as other users in different categories at the forefront of everything. The challenge, digital transformation, as I mentioned before, is notoriously tricky. With so many players, cultures, moving parts, success is really anything but guaranteed. So what's next? If Stargate succeeds, and that's a massive, humongous if, it could be the gold standard for healthcare innovation moving forward. But it's going to take more than money to get there. To wrap it up, money, tech, and bold ideas are all on the table here. But Stargate has to remember patients, as well as other types of users, aren't just data points. They're humans who need trust, empowerment, and care. It doesn't just feel personal. It is actually personalized. As it relates to this mission, keep an eye on it. I think it's worth it.